Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. As you can see here, it's from Esstac. Alright guys, so you can see I got some mag pouches from Esstac. Now these are called the Esstac Kywi, and you can see they have some retention here where it's like a little plastic clip. And then these also actually come out and they're velcroed in to the back right here. So I already have a set of these in Coyote Brown and I use them on my gun belt for work. I really like them because these have a really good amount of retention and you can actually run and gun and there's not a problem. So as you can see, these are multicam, and then in the back the molly webbing is Coyote. So this is a 3 wide AR mag, and these are nice. I wanted to go with the single stack just because I like to be as slick as possible in case I need to get down on the ground and start skull dragging when rocking a plate carrier. Here, I also ordered 2 individual ones so I can put these on the side or on a gun belt. Or side of a plate carrier or on a gun belt. And then this is a 2+1, so 2 handgun magazines and then 1 rifle magazine to be attached on the side. And then as an option, they gave you malice clips, or you could have these WTF straps. I don't know what they mean, but I liked these better because they're like rubbery, very quiet, and you can just easily loop these through the back of your molly straps and webbing on your gun belt or on your plate carrier. So just for a quick demonstration, here you have the magazine pouch, and then here you have the empty magazine. Goes in just like this. You can see I'm shaking it very violently, nothing's coming out. And then when you pull it out, so it takes a little bit of friction in there, but fits in all good. And you can see the plastic clips pushing it in. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please stay safe. Have a great day.